सारे लिखणगे। आई एम नॉट लैक्चरिंग, प्लीज़ इदा ना कोई सोचे कि मैं लैक्चर करदा किसी को, मैं भी ये ही हाँ, ये भी औगण मेरे विच आ। एक स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर गेटिंग रेडी, क्योंकि हंकार साडा वध जाता है, वी गेट आवर ईगो इंक्रीजेस विद दैट। एंड इसी तरह महाराज कह रहे हैं साधु ब्रह्मा, ही थिंक्स दैट ही गोज मैं ही हाँ सारा कुछ एंड आई एम पावरफुल। देन वाहिगुरु टॉक्स टू हिम, वाहिगुरु टेल्स हिम कि तू हंकार ना कर, दैट आई मेड यू, ते तू भी कोई बड़ा हैगा यार, आई मेड यू। पर एक काफ़ी लंबी कथा हो जाती है। फिर गुरु साहब जी कंटिन्यू टू एक्सप्लेन टू द साधुस दैट वाहिगुरु इज लिमिटलेस, कोई अंत नहीं हैगा वाहिगुरु का। यू कांट से कि वाहिगुरु एडा बड़ा है, कि वाहिगुरु इतों शुरू होता है इससे एंड होता है, एक कह नहीं सकता कोई। एंड गुरु नानक देव महाराज असी वाहिगुरु के अगे की हाँ, वी नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ वाहिगुरु, एक छोटी जी चीज़ है। इफ वी कुड अंडरस्टैंड वाहिगुरु, गुरु नानक देव महाराज कहते साधुओं को, इफ यू कुड अंडरस्टैंड वाहिगुरु दैन वी वुड फॉल इन लव विद वाहिगुरु। जे एक बार समझ लग जाए थानू कि गुरु साहिब जी कौन ने, वाहिगुरु कौन ने, फिर प्रेम विल फॉल इन लव विद वाहिगुरु इन दैट वे। एंड देन यू थिंक अबाउट देम डे एंड नाइट। जिस तरह दुनियावी तौर पर जो सोचा जाए कि किसी नाल जे प्रेम करते हैं, whatever relationship that is, if we fall in love with someone so much, then you think about that person day and night, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹੀ सोचते हैं। इसी तरह ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ प्यारे होंगे आ, वो वाहिगुरु बारे सोचते आ, then they think about them day and night, अनदिन। महाराज सिंह कहते day and night they remember वाहिगुरु and they do simran with the love, with falling in love with वाहिगुरु। Guru Nanak Maharaj continue and they say that all the Devi Devas they praise Vaheguru. Guru Sahib Ji say that we have made Vaheguru our asra. Vaheguru is our support. Guru Nanak Maharaj साधुओं को कहते हैं कि असी Vaheguru को साडा आसरा असी बनाया हुआ है, Vaheguru is our support. For this reason we don't forget Vaheguru. Guru Nanak Maharaj कहते हैं। और इत्थों सिੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਮਿਲਦਾ है संगत? The truth is we have forgotten Vaheguru. Why? Because we don't believe that Vaheguru is our support. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ, ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ if we ever have any problems, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਵੇ, we don't turn to Guru Sahib Ji first, we don't turn to Vaheguru as our support, and for that reason we've forgotten Vaheguru. I was going to leave this to the end, but ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਆਈ। I was listening to Katha about a couple of weeks ago, and Katha ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਭੇਜਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਕੰਮ ਲਈ ਭੇਜਿਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁਲਾਤਾ। We forgotten that, totally we forgotten that. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। We focus on that more. Understand one thing, that doing Simran is priority. Remembering Vaheguru is priority in our lives. Oh, number one. Everything else in our lives, everything else, our work, our education, our family, all of that is a byproduct. But what we've done, we've turned it around, कि onu priority देती, and it's sad to say that कई लोग सिमरन करते ही नहीं है, जमा ही, they don't do Simran at all, and then they wonder why कि जीवन में जो दुख काते होता है, जीवन में फिर why do we suffer with certain things. But Guru Nanak Dev Maharaj इत्थे कहते हैं साधुओं को कि for this reason we don't forget Vaheguru, because Vaheguru is my asra, is my support. After hearing Guru Sahib's beautiful words, the sadhus got so happy and said कि Maharaj तुसी धन हो, Maharaj you're great. बार बार वो महाराज को मत्था टेकते हैं, they bow down to Maharaj and they keep saying तुसी धन हो। Maharaj, just listening to your words, one can get liberated. Maharaj सिर्फ थोड़े शब्द सुनने नाल मुक्ति मिल सकती है। Look at the words that the sadhus are using. उस्तत किमें करते हैं महाराज जी? They understand that. We just have to understand that as well. इन्हों को समझ लग गया कि महाराज थोड़े जो थोड़ी बाणी आ, your beautiful words, just by listening you can get liberated, मुक्ति मिल सकती है। इन्हों को समझ लग गई। गुरु साहब जी कृपा करके सानू भी एक गल की समझ लग जाए। साधुओं ने फिर एक और सवाल पूछा because Maharaj we have one more shanka in our mind, we've got one more doubt in our mind. You know our eyes, जो सारे नेत्र ने, how are we able to see with these eyes? The charcha that they're doing with Guru Sahib Ji, the conversation that they're having with Guru Sahib Ji, they're also asking scientific questions. They're saying, how are we able to see with these eyes? Then Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj tell the sadhus that just as light comes from the moon and sun, in this same way, the light from Vaheguru that's in you enables you to see. जिमें रोशनी चानन सूरज का चांद तो होता है, इसी तरह साढ़े विच जो वाहिगुरू की जोत आ, ओदा चानन, ओदे राही असीं देखदे हां संसार में। ये भी असीं एक गल दे के ना चेता भुलाता, we don't even notice, we don't even take notice of this. We're so attached to this body of ours, जो है साडा शरीर आ, जो तुहानूं नाम भी दिता गया है, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਅਟੈਚਮੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ families become attached to you, you become attached to families, and then they just see that outside body. And we say this to the kids all the time. Guru Sahib Ji Kirpa ਨਾਲ the Sikhi class that we do on Saturdays, that ਖਾਸ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਦਾਂ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਬਾਣੀ ਆ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਆ, that's the ਖੁਰਾਕ, the food for your soul, ਜੋ ਆਤਮਾ ਹੈ। ਕਈ ਬੱਚੇ ਫਿਰ ਹੈਰਾਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, they go what's a soul? What you want about? Oh, kithiya, where's that soul? When you tell them that that soul is within everyone, oh, jyot jo aa Vaheguru di saare de vich aa, that light is in every one of us. How do you make that jyot, that soul strong? Onu takda kiਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ? ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, if you eat the right things, if you follow a good diet, this body of ours will get strong. In that same way, we need to make our soul strong. Why do you think there's a difference between from our itihas, from our history, Mahaprabhu ho gaye, Chardhi Kala Gursikh ho gaye, Singhaniyan, they've achieved amazing things from our itihas, from our history, but their soul was shining bright. Ek sakhi aungi hai, there's a story about Bhai Anokh Singh Babbar. This one person said, ek baar na Bhai Anokh Singh Babbar nang rahe sige, as they were going past them, wo baan lag gayi unhanu ਬਾਂਝ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਾ ਭਾਈ ਅਨੋਖ ਸਿੰਘ ਬੱਬਰ ਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ, if you look at their ਜੀਵਨ is amazing, this amount simran they used to do, amount ਪਿਆਰ that they had for Guru Sahib Ji and Gursikhs, but they said ਜੋ ਬਾਂਝ ਲੱਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕਰੰਟ ਵੱਜਿਆ, he got electric shock throughout his body, ਇੰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, ਇੰਨੀ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ। But in that same way, we need to understand the light that's in us, that jyot that's in us, that's what truly matters. ये जो बाहरला है ना, this doesn't matter because ये नासवंता, we don't understand that either, we don't गौर नहीं करते इस गल पे कि ये एक दिन मुक जाना है, one day this is going to finish, but your soul is going to carry on. That's what truly Guru Amardas Ji Maharaj ਦੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, right? ਮਨ ਤੂੰ ਜੋਤ ਸਰੂਪ ਹੈ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੂਲ ਪਛਾਣ, ਕਿ Maharaj goes that your jyot sarup, so your that sarup, that light of Vaheguru is in you, that's what your true worth is. Know what your worth is. If you understand that we've got Vaheguru in us, then you can achieve many great things. Guru Sahib Ji go really deep into giving an answer to the sadhus that say that light that comes from the moon and sun, in that same way, that light that's within us, that Vaheguru's light, it enables you to see as well. Guru Sahib Ji go really deep into giving an answer. Sangat Ji, what happens next with that Q&A? You're going to have to wait till next week. So Beintiya, every Fridays at Gypsy Lane Gurdwara, 7 to 8, we'll go through the itihas. It's going to take another couple of years. Kei saal ho lag jane ab Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj da jeevan going into it. So every Friday, Beintiya sari sangat nu come. It's a brilliant atmosphere. Sari family aundiyan, uthe bacche nahi kale, siyaane nahi kale. Jo Guru Sahib ki kirpa naal baniya hai, ek bari aake zarur dekho. Come and listen to it and learn to understand what we mean. ਉੱਥੇ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, every week without fail. ਹੁਣ ਪਿਛਲੇ 5-6 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ, been 5-6 years going through Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj's life in so much detail. Every single Friday, Tanu Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj have given one common update to everyone, no matter if they're a king or if they're a beggar, no matter if they're rich or poor. no matter if they're a sadhu, mahapurkh, or if they're papi, if they do many sins, Guru Sahib ji सारे नु एक उपदेश देते हैं कि सिमरन करो, do सिमरन कुछ नहीं महाराज कहते सिमरन करया करो, ता संगत करया करो, just do सिमरन. Why is it really important that we do simran and we reconnect with what truly matters? Because in the day, and especially in the day and age we live in, कोई कारण नहीं होगा जो महाराज कह रहे हैं, right? And we're going to get, in a short while, we're going to get to see Dhani Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Mala. Think about it like this, that Mala has been in the hands of Dhani Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj. But why have they got a Mala? Why have they even got one? Right? You have to ask yourself that question. कि जो Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj के हाथ में जो Mala सी, and they used to do Simran, वो तो Guru Sahib जी ने. They're saved already. They're saving the world. Why do they need to do Simran? Guru Sahib, you're teaching us that Guru Sahib, if they're doing Simran, then surely we must do it. फिर तो ज़्यादा सानू तो ज़्यादा करने की लोड़ है कि साडा बचाव भी हो जाए, we may get saved. And it's not even hard. औखा नहीं है Simran करना. We made it into a complicated thing. असी आप ही complicate करता प्रचार करने और certain talkers. We've complicated it ourselves, but it's so simple to do, and the amount of ras, anand, bliss that you get from it is on another level. Guru Sahib de khushiyan je lehni aaya. If you want happiness of Guru Sahib, because ultimately that's what matters most. You can do all the Q&As you want, you can ask whatever questions you want. Ultimately, we have to understand one thing. एक गल दी समझ सानू आ जाए कि असी Guru Sahib de khushiyan lehni aaya. We want to make Guru Sahib ji happy. This is to all the kids. Especially to all the बच्चों कि गुरु साहब जी खुश किमें करना है, कल बच्चों भी है ये सारे सियाने भी है कि I've always got this in the back of my mind. I want to make my Guru happy. किमें गुरु साहब ने खुश करिए by doing what they're asking us to do. सिमरन करिए, let's do सिमरन, right? जो एक खेड महाराज ने बनाई है, this play that Maharaj has made, according to our karma. Guru Sahib ji have made the Panj Chor. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Ahankar. Right? You got Kam, lust, Krodh, anger, Moh, attachment, Lobh, greed, and Hankar, ego. These Panch Chor, we refer to them as Chor, thieves. Why? Because in another Kama, they're going to come into your house, meaning your mind, your body, and then steal your kamai. And steal to make your mind uneasy. I can give a quick example, a relatable example. When we're using that term chor, when we were kids, I'm sure a lot of people here, Sangat, उन्होंने experience किया होगा कि कितना throughout your lives, at some point, burglars or thieves would have come into your house. In the area that we lived in, our house got burgled 2-3 times. When we were old enough to understand what happened, when I realized that thieves have come into our house and they've stolen our things and gone into our personal spaces, I felt really uneasy after that for a while. इसी तरह जो पांच चोर ने come into your mind and उनका काम किया, understand this one thing. एक गल दी समझ लागे जावे थानू कि उनका काम किया पांच चोरां दा to come into your mind and to just plant a seed of thought. To just plant a thought into your mind. कि ख्याल मन विच एक पा दो. Whether that's related to काम, वो काम नाल जुड़िया हो सकता है, क्रोध नाल जुड़िया हो सकता है. भावें तुसीं एक चीज़ ना कई साल पहला की होगी कि कुछ गलत फोन से देख लिया, या गलत किसी को कहता, या किसी ना किसी ने थोड़ी उस्तत किसी ने करती, वो कई साल पहला की गल होगी, पर वो जो क्रोध है, अहंकार है, उन्हें आके मन में कह देना एक गल पा देनी, ख्याल मन च पा देना है. You're going to put that thought into your mind, and then that thought dwells in your mind, and that takes you off the path. How do we get rid of them thoughts? How do we get rid of them thoughts? How do we fight them thoughts? We fight them thoughts by doing Simran of Vaheguru. And it's easy to do something, it's not hard. How do we do it? We just use our breath. Maharaj has given us all the tools to do it. We're just going to do it for a couple of seconds, and then we're going to do Samafti. Hopefully you'll understand the importance of Simran and kinna anand hunda hai when you do it as well. So सारी संगत ने एक बेनती है, सारे ने रल मिल के करना है. दास पहला बोलूगा, so I'll say it first and then I want all of the Sangat to say it together. Chete rakho, if you want, focus on Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj while you're doing it, because Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Mala has come into the Darbar. So when we do it, if you close your eyes, Nether apne akha meech ke, we're just going to focus on our breath. I'll say it first and then I want all the Sangat together to say it so we can get that Anand. We're going to breathe in Vah and breathe out Guru. You're just going to focus on the sound that you're making and then watch the kirpa that happens and watch the Anand that you get. So beinti hai sari sangat for a few seconds to a minute, let's make our Guru Sahib Ji happy, because Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj want that. They don't want anything else right now. Is they want us to do Simran and to connect with one. So I'll say it first and then I want everyone else to say it. Vahguru, 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 Vahguru. Sangat ji apne aap nu cheta pala ke na, the sound that's coming out from within you, ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿਓ, and you'll forget about yourself and you'll only focus on Vahguru. Vahguru, 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 Vahguru. Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj da bhajana ki je mera Sikh, if you call in yourself my Sikh, you'll get up in the morning, amrit vele uth ke pehla simran karoge, fir ishnan, fir bani padhoge. Ek bahut simple raah Maharaj ne ditta tha sangat. And in the day and age that we're living in right now, we're getting bombarded with so many thoughts. Social media to ho gaye, phone de pange ho gaye, sara kuch inna ज़्यादा बुरा हाल हो गया ना आज के समय में. We need Simran more than ever. बच्चों को सिखाओ, do it together as a family. Tell your kids to do it as they fall asleep. I'll give you a life hack and we call it Samafti. If you fall asleep while doing Simran, in the same way in your mind while you're falling asleep, if you fall asleep while doing Simran, वो सारी रात चलता रहेगा. गुरु साहब की ज्ञान खुशियाँ मिलेंगी. संगत जी, if I made any mistake, please forgive me. समा पूरा हो गया. कोई भी गलती होगी संगत की माफ़ी मांगता है, अनजान बच्चा संगत की माफ़ करना. हम learning like everyone else is learning. बेनती है Friday night की जरूर आया करो. Every Fridays आज जिस दिन गुरुद्वारा और अगला प्रोग्राम जब होगा अपने सिर्फ बाजी उठाया संगत जी गाइस की फतेह वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा.